Hey guys, and welcome back to the 411 on Tech. Today we're checking out the new Xbox wireless controller Stellar Edition. Now, when I saw this, I got super excited. Damien will tell you, I'm a sucker for anything galaxy or space related.
Right.
And when I was looking it up, it said that it did color shifting too. So I'm like, okay, bye. So we got it in. So let's take a look at this. So what I like about Xbox is they go the Apple route and they have just like a little pull tab. So no box cutter required in this. Sorry. Alright, now this is obviously the first time we're opening this, so first real impressions. I don't know why this is. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, just like
All right.
our.
You ready?
Yeah, just like their Space Jam one.
Oh, did we not open it?
Oh no!
That's the way you're supposed to open it?
I believe so.
Let's see. Oh, okay,
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
now it worked. Oh, alright. Okay.
That's
yeah,
nice.
nice.
Yeah, it's like a metallic. It looks more.
Yeah.
It looks better in person than it does in pictures.
So it's got like a kind of shimmery. So it's supposed to kind of color shift between blue and purple.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's really nice. I like it.
Yeah, that is cool looking.
So, you know, for the most part, it's a regular Xbox wireless controller. Obviously, though, the main thing is the color shifting. So I really like that. I mean, that looks so good. What do you think?
Yeah, I really like the way it looks. Like, yeah, this. It's almost like a iridescent-y, and then
The buttons too.
yeah, the buttons are like clear, and it got
Purple.
it looks like depth with the letters and everything.
Definitely getting those galaxy vibes.
Yeah, and this is kind of like it's like a gray, with a little bit of like blue-gray kind of deal going on here. Yeah, I definitely like the look of this. It's definitely clean. We can use this with our Xbox Series X, Xbox One. We still have, that. We're trying to do some emulation on that as well as the new Xbox. We can use it on Windows, and we can use it on iOS and Android. So we got a number of devices. We got handhelds in case we want to use it on any of our gaming, like portable gaming PCs. But on the back, I like these. Like, so on the regular Xbox controller, you have like your textured grips, and on the inside it's not rubberized, but on the outside it's like a rubberized grip. And the pattern of these grips right here are unique to each one. So however that
Yeah,
that
so
looks.
ours is gonna look different than yours. And I like the rub because in the heat of battle,
Yeah,
my hands
get
get sweaty, so I'm always looking for that extra grip. So I'm really liking that it has rubberized grip and the nice like kind of
Rubberized
swirly
grips.
galaxy kind of.
Rubberized grips on there as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a good looking. Good. Oh yeah. I like that color. Yeah, that color shift from blue to purple.
Yeah, I can't wait
purple.
to play with
Hopefully
this.
that's showing up on camera.
Yeah, and
That
then
is nice.
So another thing you can do, and I think I'm just as excited about this than I am as the physical color on the controller itself. It also comes with a dynamic background. So, obviously it's going to be galaxy vibe kind of looking, so I'm super excited for that. So to get that, you just have to make sure you connect your controller to the Xbox Series X or S. Then you want to go to Settings, go to General, Personalization, My Color and Background, and then go down to Dynamic Background. So there you'll see all your dynamic backgrounds, and you should see your new galaxy
Themed background,
and select that. So again, and it's dynamic, so it's not just like a flat background.
Right.
It's like, so I'm super excited. So I really like this. So if you're looking for a new Xbox controller and you like space and galaxy, all that stuff like I do, you definitely want to check this out. But I think that's gonna do it for this one.
Yeah, I just want to say that Xbox are always coming out with like these different colorways. You have the Xbox Lab, you can create your own. So it's kind of like almost like sneakers. So you kind of get carried away with that, but this one really it called out to us, and we saw it had to get it, so we want to share that with you guys. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Bye.